The Philippine General Hospital, unusually empty. The country's biggest public health institution treats more than 600,000 patients every year. Now, entire wards have been cleared after the government designated it the country's main coronavirus hospital. Dr. Justin Ho is an infectious diseases specialist for children who's been called into the front line to treat adults.
Yes, we have to take on more roles in terms of managing the triage. And then even us pediatricians, we're required to even assess adults when they come in.
Away from public hospitals, private ones in Manila are widely considered to be the best. But they've stopped admitting potential coronavirus patients after treating the first wave of infections.
So the empty road that you're seeing right behind me is what's called a facility quarantine zone. Basically, local authorities have sealed off about a kilometer stretch of the road because inside the containment zone is a hospital where there has been a rising number of coronavirus cases.
Hundreds of healthcare workers have had to be isolated, and several frontline doctors have died of the disease.
Right now, we don't know who has the infection. So when we go out there, when we meet patients initially at the ER, it's very risky without any protection. So it's really part of the anxiety on our part.
While some of the government's limited resources are now at the disposal of the Philippine General Hospital, healthcare workers from other hospitals continue to beg for help. The health department says despite shortages, it is doing its best to supply protective gear.
The shortage of personal protective equipment isn't unique to the Philippines. Other countries are experiencing a shortage as well, so we are purchasing and accepting donations at the same time. Rest assured, we are working to provide hospitals in need of PPEs.
The month-long lockdown that began 2 weeks ago appears to be the government's preferred solution for now. Doctors fear an outbreak the size of China's or Italy's could mean the collapse of the entire healthcare system here. Barnaby, Al Jazeera, Manila.